It's called the scarlet tunic, and it's the ceremonial dress for the military, the Jamaica Defense Force.
What in the army is called number one dress.
They wear them on ceremonial occasions like that of the Independence Day Parade and the ceremonial opening of Parliament. It's another tradition that has its origin in the British culture.
Back in the sort of 1700s, 1800s, early 1800s, even right up to the late 1800s, soldiers wore scarlet tunics as their normal uniform. And originally this was not because it was considered grand, it was because that dye was much cheaper than other colors, and therefore they put the soldiers in it, but it looked good anyway. And so gradually scarlet became the sort of color of prestige.
Let's take a closer look at the scarlet tunic for three specific ranks of the JDF. First, a staff sergeant.
Staff sergeant, who's dressed for a ceremonial parade.
His attire is made up of his number one dress hat or forage cap.
If you notice, the dicing that is on the forage cap is unique to his battalion, which is the 1st Battalion Jamaica Regiment, which is blue and gold.
There is also a ceremonial button, cap badge, sash, ceremonial gloves, an epaulette, and a badge indicating his rank.
3 chevron and a crown. It tells you that he's a color or staff sergeant.
The staff sergeant's number one dress pants are navy blue with red stripes, and his shoes are called ammunition boots. The rank of staff sergeant falls in the category of non-commissioned officers, those JDF personnel from the rank of private through warrant officer class 1. The features of this private ceremonial dress are similar to those of the staff sergeant, but his forage cap doesn't have a red lining, nor does he wear a sash, and there is no chevron on his arm.
He's a commissioned officer in his ceremonial dress for parade.
Commissioned officers of the JDF, those from the rank of officer cadet through to major general, wear their badges of rank on their shoulders.
So they put their rank onto the shoulder board, and then it's fixed onto the shoulder.
This commissioned officer has his forage cap with red lining, but one aspect of the scarlet tunic is different.
If you notice, he has the gold trimmings coming down the center.
And instead of a sash, this commissioned officer wears a sash belt. For his footwear, he wears George boots. So the features of the scarlet tunic, the military ceremonial dress, differ depending on the rank of the individual. But whatever the rank, it's proudly worn by members of the military whenever they have to perform their duties at a ceremonial occasion.